Baking soda, known scientifically as sodium bicarbonate, is often relegated to the dusty corners of our kitchens, typically reserved for baking fluffy cakes or cookies. However, this humble white powder boasts an astonishing range of uses that extend far beyond the oven. In fact, baking soda is so versatile that it can be a powerhouse in our everyday lives, tackling everything from stubborn stains to personal care. With just a little creativity, you can unlock its full potential and transform your household routine. One of the most surprising aspects of baking soda is its ability to neutralize odors. Imagine opening your fridge only to be met with an unpleasant smell, perhaps from leftover takeout or wilting vegetables. Instead of reaching for chemical-laden air fresheners, placing an open box of baking soda inside can absorb those unwanted odors, leaving your fridge smelling fresh. This same principle applies to shoes, carpets, and even your car. Sprinkling baking soda in your shoes overnight can eliminate the smell of sweat, while a light dusting on carpets before vacuuming can refresh the entire room. Another unexpected use for baking soda lies in its cleaning prowess. Have you ever faced the daunting task of scrubbing a burnt pan? Instead of reaching for harsh chemicals, create a paste of baking soda and water, apply it to the burned areas, and let it sit for a while. The gentle abrasiveness of baking soda will lift the stains without scratching the surface. Additionally, it can be used to clean glass stovetops, stainless steel sinks, and even your microwave. A simple mixture of baking soda and water can cut through grease and grime, making your kitchen sparkle without the need for toxic cleaners. Baking soda also shines in the realm of personal care. For those who struggle with the overpowering scent of commercial deodorants, a sprinkle of baking soda can serve as a natural alternative. It absorbs moisture and neutralizes body odor, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a more organic approach to personal hygiene. Simply mix it with a bit of cornstarch for added effectiveness, and you have a homemade deodorant that's both effective and gentle on the skin. In the laundry room, baking soda can be a game changer. Adding a half cup of baking soda to your laundry detergent can boost its cleaning power, helping to remove tough stains and odors from clothing. It's particularly useful for athletic wear, which often retains stubborn smells even after washing. Moreover, if you have white clothes that have started to look dull, soaking them in a baking soda solution can help restore their brightness, making your wardrobe look fresh and new. For pet owners, baking soda can be a lifesaver. Accidents happen, and when they do, baking soda can help tackle the aftermath. Sprinkling baking soda on pet stains can absorb moisture and neutralize odors, making cleanup easier. After letting it sit for a while, simply vacuum it up, and your carpets will be fresh again. Additionally, if your furry friend has a bit of an odor, a light dusting of baking soda on their fur can help eliminate the smell before a bath. Another fascinating use for baking soda is in the realm of gardening. If you're a plant lover, you might be surprised to learn that baking soda can help you grow healthier plants. Mixing a tablespoon of baking soda with a gallon of water creates a solution that can be sprayed on plants to prevent fungal growth. This natural remedy is particularly effective against powdery mildew, a common issue for many gardeners. Furthermore, it can help improve the soil's pH balance, making it a valuable addition to your gardening toolkit. Baking soda can also be a handy tool in the kitchen beyond baking. If you find yourself with a pot of overly acidic tomato sauce, a pinch of baking soda can neutralize the acidity, balancing the flavors and enhancing the overall dish. This simple trick can save a meal and prevent food waste, showcasing the power of this versatile ingredient. For those who enjoy DIY projects, baking soda can be an essential ingredient in creating homemade cleaning products. By mixing baking soda with vinegar, you can create a powerful cleaning solution that can tackle everything from clogged drains to dirty bathroom tiles. This combination produces a fizzing reaction that helps break down grime and debris, making your cleaning tasks more efficient and eco-friendly. Even in beauty routines, baking soda finds a place. It can be used as a gentle exfoliant for the skin, helping to remove dead skin cells and leaving your complexion looking fresh. Mixing baking soda with water creates a paste that can be massaged onto the skin and rinsed off for a quick and easy facial scrub. It's a budget-friendly alternative to expensive skincare products, proving that sometimes the best solutions are the simplest. As if that weren't enough, baking soda can even aid in oral hygiene. It's a common ingredient in many toothpaste brands, but you can use it on its own for a natural teeth whitening treatment. Simply dip a wet toothbrush in baking soda and brush your teeth as usual. The mild abrasiveness helps remove surface stains, leaving your smile brighter and your breath fresher. Finally, one of the most unexpected uses of baking soda is its effectiveness in extinguishing small grease fires. If you ever find yourself in a cooking mishap, rather than grabbing water, which can exacerbate the flames, reaching for baking soda can be a lifesaver. It smothers the fire by cutting off its oxygen supply, demonstrating yet another way this simple ingredient can come to the rescue. In conclusion, the incredible versatility of baking soda is truly remarkable. From tackling odors and cleaning tough stains to enhancing personal care and gardening, its applications are boundless. By incorporating baking soda into your daily routine, you can address common household challenges with ease and efficiency. So the next time you reach for that box of baking soda, remember that it's not just for baking. It's a multi-talented ally in your home, ready to help you conquer whatever life throws your way.